Hello, my art viewers. Welcome back to my channel. You are seeing the art of inside impressions, and this is artist Bhavna. So today we are going to see this beautiful hair process. Yeah, we'll use charcoal powder to make this process more easy because graphite using dark grades you'll get the dark shine, and you'll also not get the perfect black matte look. So that's why I prefer using charcoal powder for the hair process, and I'll also use charcoal pencils to make it more like look like strands and the hair follicles. So yeah, this will be the process of real time, and do enjoy it. I hope you'll really enjoy it. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap the bell icon because it is most important element. So thanks for watching and happy learning.